You almost dropped it. Woo! I wonder what it is. Oh, that's what I thought it might be. Oh, you silly wrapping paper. Get off of Declan's finger.
Get off of my finger.
What? Wrapping paper. What? Declan, look at what that is. Rip it from this side. Why you rip in the silliest little fashion. Itty bitty pieces. Oh my goodness. You're gonna be excited about this one. What is it?
Yellow paper.
Yo, the silly paper so sticky. Declan, what is it? What are these?
And some water.
Here's some water. Do you know what you just opened?
Uh-huh.
What are they?
Undies.
Undies.